Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox MFJS Meilong timer cube. I bought this cube from Cubelelo. You can also purchase this cube from cubelelo.com. Link is given in the description. So let's open the box. This is the outer coverage of my cube. Just peel off this tape. And there is a manual for how to solve a Rubik's cube. I really don't need this. Also, it is in Chinese language. Why they print Chinese language for distributing in all the countries? So here is the stand cube, screwdriver, few batteries, and the cube. And also it has a timer which is an extra piece. It can be also placed in different cube. This cube is pretty loose out of the box, but it is smooth. Let's try some algorithms. Oh, I messed up this algorithm. Let's try a random hand scramble. I average around 21 or 22 seconds on 3x3. I am very bad in F12. I really need to improve that. This cube turns really well. Let's see the timer. There is no power. I think there is no battery from inside. So there's the batteries. How it will come out? Here the power is on. We need to press it 2 seconds so the timer starts, and again pressing it will stop the timer. I don't know how it will get off again. Let's fix this cube. So yeah, the cube is ready. Let's try a random hand scramble. Check the timer. After solving the cube, we need to press the timer again. This is really weird. It will take a second to find the keys. I got 20 something. Let's try another solve. Thinking to upload an average of 5 of a timer cube. .28 seconds. So guys, that's all for this video. Check the cube, link is given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment your opinion about this cube.